Good morning! Today is May 19. Happy Tuesday! It's very hot. I don't know. Maybe the temperature is 91. I don't know. So, summertime, I take shower every day. So, if I put color on my hair, it's easy to very quickly to fade. Whew. And the sunrise is beautiful like me. It's very hot. Take shower every day, okay? To prevent stinky. Because the weather is very crazy. Love you people. That's all. Happy Tuesday. Look at my beautiful plants. Love you. That's all.